If you thought SUV designs were dull and boring, get an eyeful of the new Hyundai Tucson. More concept car than $30,000 Toyota RAV4 rival, the all-new 4th generation Tucson SUV combines a striking exterior design with a fancy new interior concept that blends smooth and seamless surfaces with simplified controls. Coming to Australia in the first half of 2021, it's got a few party tricks too, including an ability to park itself without anyone inside the vehicle. Welcome to the future. But let's come back to the design. As one of the top 3 buying decisions behind almost every new car purchase, Hyundai has taken a gamble here. The radical front-end design features big LED daytime running lights that blend into the multifaceted grille design when switched off. The main headlights are actually positioned lower down where the fog lights usually live. Together with lots of sharp edges and geometric creases along its flanks, rugged wheel arches and a sporty profile, the Tucson design grabs your attention like few other SUVs out there. It features an equally edgy rear-end design, complete with triangular brake lights and a full-width LED light bar. If nothing else, this is a head-turning design. And Hyundai said it wants to stand out in the SUV market, and while the audacious styling might put some buyers off, elements of this design language are set to be rolled out across its entire SUV range, so you better get used to it. The interior layout is just as futuristic as the exterior, with a wraparound motif that appears to ensconce front occupants. There's a big 10.2-inch central touchscreen that cascades out of the dashboard, and all controls and buttons have been integrated into the same glass panel. The flush-fitted controls create a seamless, uncluttered look. Even the gear shifter is gone, replaced by smooth buttons, and there's a hoodless instrument cluster offered with a 10.2-inch digital display. Heated and cooled leather seats are offered, and the new steering wheel looks pretty schmick, but Hyundai insists this is not a luxury vehicle. But it is longer and wider now, with more boot space and more rear seat space. The back seats even get air vents and temperature controls. Australian models will be offered with the same 3 engines as the current version, which includes 4-cylinder petrol and diesel power plants. There are also mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid models available, but none of these have been confirmed for Australia yet. That said, all hybrid options are under consideration for the Aussie market, according to Hyundai. The new model will also be a high-tech 4-wheeled machine with loads of autonomous driving tech and even the ability to use your phone as a key to unlock and start the vehicle. Check out our news story on the new Tucson for more details, including the remote parking function we like to call Ghost Car. When the next generation Tucson arrives in Australia in the first half of 2021, it will be gunning for the Toyota RAV4. But we have to wonder, is the radical styling going to be too full-on for conservative SUV buyers? Have your say in the comments.